here, the Red Sea. And here we have a transcontinental split between Africa and Arabia that's occurred in the very recent geological past. And we know there's an active constructive margin down the axis of the Red Sea. Then this is the place to investigate the problem. What you notice straight away is the parallelism of the coastline. Note here in the north that the coastlines are straight, continuing the line of the Gulf of Suez. And then they start to zigzag, but together. Obviously, there's been a lot of transcurrent movement here in the Gulf of Aqaba, and we have problems of overlap here in the north, and even more so down here in the south. Geophysically, it is a typical piece of continental plate with some 35 kilometers of sealic crust. The crust, which we often call the basement, is not particularly old. It was formed sometime between 1200 and 500 million years ago. During the Phanerozoic, the last 540 million years, nothing much has happened. Look at this outcrop of basement and these scarps. This erosion surface was formed at near sea level, but it's since been raised by nearly 2 kilometers above sea level. The whole region has been updomed, mostly around here. And one possibility to explain the initial formation of the Red Sea is that this bulging of the crust caused stretching across the line of the Red Sea and the development of a trough or graben. Or perhaps the two plates moved apart before the uplift happened.
During the last 20 million years, this area has certainly been one of considerable instability. But prior to that, for 500 million years, this was a very stable area. During that period...